Hey, what's up? It's Philip, and let's install a LibreOffice on Windows 10. So just go to Google and type in LibreOffice and go to the LibreOffice.org. Make sure that this is the right site because you don't want to download from unofficial site. You can get a virus, so make sure that you are on this site over here, LibreOffice.org, as you can see it. And over here under the download, hit it and hit over here download LibreOffice. On the right side you can choose the operating system. So let's choose the Windows and click download, and your download should start. So just go to your desktop and click save, and over here you can see on the top right corner in the Google Chrome that it's downloading. It's at 346 megabytes. And after the download is finished, you can go over here and click it. You can see over here this installer package, so just double click it, click next, and you can go with a custom, but we'll go with typical and go next. And we want to create a shortcut on our desktop, and you don't want to load LibreOffice if you have a slower computer because it will slow even more. So just click install with this create shortcut on desktop, and after installation is complete, just click finish, and you have a shortcut of your LibreOffice on your desktop. Just double click it, you can maximize over here, and you have your LibreOffice installed on your Windows 10. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Drop some likes and comments below and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye bye.